Greetings and salutations. How are you feeling this evening? No man, I want to hear you say Irie. How are you feeling? Fly two-seater aircraft. Wake up early o'clock before cock put on them jaws. And so for the 3 weeks, I was the course top student. Shift the paper and they copy from back. I'm an entrepreneur, come on. One person failed. Who that? Me. Juliet Bodley didn't pass. First suicide attempt. I'm a mental health advocate because I survived 3 suicide attempts and years of self-mutilation. When I used to work in the Jamaican Defense Force, I was driving from Falmouth Police Station to Delta Company, and that night I decided I had enough. In a 2008 Toyota Corolla, I sped up the car and somebody, but he didn't have enough girlfriend. I don't understand why Jamaicans still. 5 2s 10, 5 3s, 5 5s 25, 5 6. Over there, son, you never go to school. 5 8s, 5 9s 45. Table 15, never go to school. 5 12 6. That makes sense to you, ma? Not because you're older doesn't mean that your time has passed. It means you're wiser and the opportunities are still there for you. Yes. So take that second chance. No matter how old you are. Now, surely goodness and mercy shall follow. You don't have to run it down. So if you go to the left, the goodness and mercy come to the... How many of you know Vibes Cartel? If you know Vibes Cartel, say, When he was imprisoned for 13 years. Now, this is not an honorary imprisonment. This is a disgraceful imprisonment. And when he came out, people were saying he looked like Frog. And the lady that he dating, see them, no see them. This is not me taking up for Vibes Cartel. I'm showing you something about imposter syndrome. And the man wastes no time enjoying himself. If there was anybody who should suffer from imposter syndrome, it would be Vibes Cartel. Imposter syndrome says you're a fraud for your success. Now you tell me, if Vibes Cartel doesn't feel like a fraud and can enjoy his second chance, you with your little mistake, your little paperclip that you steal from the office, your little multiple sexual partners for the ladies. I'm not belittling any of your struggles. I'm just saying there is absolutely no reason for anyone to feel like they should not deserve the blessing that is coming to them. So when second chances come, grab it with both hands, please. Broke them 2 by 2. Broke them 3 by 3. If you're ugly, if you're pretty, if you're slim, if you're tall, if you're mager, all right, do it nonetheless. Thank you, guys.
She never said just do it like that. So she don't want to